Welcome back to another Bitcoin update. So I will start here on the daily time frame. For now, the most important one, at least for me. We have a big support here on the bottom. This candle, as you can see, already tested multiple times. So this is a big support. And also with this, we created a big liquidity zone. All right. Because we tested multiple times, the price tries to break down here. It wasn't able, and on this candle we actually created this range daily uptrend. Okay, it has the creation, continuation, sorry, and confirmation on the third, right? For now we are not testing this next daily as a possible support. Okay, so a continuation of that higher low. Okay, on the top, before we go to the 4 hour, on the top we have a big resistance here. As you can see, it was tested one time here. The price tries to break up, it wasn't able to, and has a big move down. It does that also on the second test. As you can see, well, here we don't have a test. Okay, we have a tentative of going there. It fails. It tried to go there. It fails, and it fails really hard here. Okay, so this candle here also creates a big resistance. As you can see, on the wick we have multiple tests, and on the body we have, oh come on, we have two, one here and the second one yesterday. So where is Bitcoin going, right? Well, with this support and probably a big liquidity level, well, if the price comes down here, it can happen two things, right? On a liquidation zone, the price keeps going down because it has an acceleration of the move, or it has a big reverse. Okay, even though it can go below this level here. Okay, because it needs, as the word says, it needs to liquidate everyone that has any kind of trade here, even if it's just a stop loss or taking profits from here. Okay, it's not really important. It is a liquidation zone. Okay, liquidity zone here can happen two things: breaks down really hard, or has a big reverse and tries to attack that resistance. Okay, or any kind of resistance that we created here. Well, for now, we are not testing the support as a possible um, continuation of that higher low, right? And we might be creating another resistance on this candle here. Okay, if we go one time frame down to the 4 hour, we can understand that this was supposed to be a big support, right? It was first big resistance because we failed too many times to break that. We were able to break that. We found big resistance above. Okay, it was probably that daily or that 4. It's not really important, at least for now. And we failed to hold that, and right now we are opening even lower from that previous support. So as you can see, on the 4 we had big support here. Okay, I'm not going to make that 4 hour, and we fail also to hold that. We are trying, at least for now, we are trying to break up, and if we are not able to break up this one or this one, probably first this one, and go attack that one, we might go to this 1 hour as, for me, the last big support. Okay, this candle here is really big. We have some candles inside that, and we can easily go here. Okay, I have this one marked because if we fail to go here or we have a big move up here, that's going to be a big support. If we need to go to the greediest level of this support, that's going to be bearish for me. Okay, so if we don't even go there, that's even better. If we just bounce on the daily, on the daily line, that's going to be perfect, okay? Because that 4 hour, we failed to hold that 4 hour. At least for now, we failed to hold that 4 hour, and we really need to hold this daily. It might go to the 1 hour for sure. It might go a little below to that previous 4 as support. And if we fail this 4 hour, we are probably going to some levels below 80k. Okay, I don't want to call that for now because the price might not even go there, but at least for now, I just want to have you guys understand that. Okay, if we hold that trend that we are holding now, of course, and we fail to go to that daily support, and we create a daily support here, that's going to be really bullish for me, because when we fail to go to a level, that's bullish on the other side of that level. So that also happens here. As you can see, we went to this daily, but we failed to go to this one. So this can be resistance in the future. Okay, not really important for now, but just for you guys to understand that we failed to go there and we are going down. Okay, so we are in the opposite direction of that as a reverse, or in this case as a support. Okay, we are really close to this one, so I don't want to say that, at least for now. I want to make this a daily support, this candle as a daily support. Otherwise, we might have this one as the next resistance. Okay, so this is going to be a really funny Christmas. Let's see. We might not see a lot of volatility, honestly, on the next 1-2 days. Uh, and the price might stay on this range. As you can see, we have the resistance, we have the support on that candle, and the price might stay in this range. This is a really big range, okay? If we don't stay on this range, well, it's either going to move up or move down, right? It's Bitcoin. Thank you so much. See you guys on the next video.